What if Earth suddenly had 3 moons hanging in our sky? What would happen to life, oceans, and our very sense of time? Imagine you're walking on the beach at night, and instead of one glowing orb overhead, there are 3, each tugging at the seas, pulling at the land, pulling at us. In the next few minutes, we'll travel through chaos, wonder, danger, and maybe a surprising lesson about how delicate our world really is. First, let's set the stage. Right now, our single moon plays a huge role. It tugs the tides, stabilizes Earth's tilt, and slows down our spin gradually. A second moon would upset that balance. Let's picture a scenario. Earth gains 2 extra moons, roughly the size of our current moon, or perhaps smaller, in stable orbits around us. They settle into paths that don't immediately crash into Earth or into each other, at least for a while. Sometimes the moons align and pull together, producing tides far higher than we see now. Other times their pulls fight each other, partially canceling out, giving unpredictable or weak tides. On some days, cities near the coast could see water rising hundreds of feet inland. Next, the night sky changes. Nights become far brighter. 2 extra moons reflect sunlight, making dim starlight harder to see. The lunar cycles, waxing and waning, become more complex. Maybe one moon completes a full cycle in 10 days, another in 15. Now consider orbital and rotational dynamics. The extra gravitational pulls tug at Earth's spin and its axis tilt. Over long periods, Earth's tilt might wobble more wildly, making seasons harsher. The rotation could slow faster because each moon draws angular momentum from Earth. Ocean currents driven by tidal mixing would change patterns. Rainfall belts might shift unpredictably. Ecosystems near shores would collapse first. Many species rely on stable tides, coral reefs, tidal marshes, and mangroves, all under siege. The geological effects would also intensify. Stronger tidal stresses on Earth's crust could trigger more earthquakes or awaken dormant volcanoes. Crustal flexing, the mass of water shifting greatly, could crack faults. And underwater landslides triggered by monstrous tides could cause tsunamis far inland. Over longer time, millennia, human civilization would adapt or wither. Timekeeping, calendars, and religious cycles would be upended by erratic lunar rhythms. Cultures might worship different moons. Myths multiply. Here's the twist. Even if a planet had many moons, the moons would pull on each other, creating chaos. Their gravitational interactions could destabilize orbits. 2 or 3 moons might collide, or one might crash into Earth or be ejected into space entirely. The emotional takeaway: our single moon is not just romantic, it's a guardian of balance. A second or third moon might look beautiful, but it would push us toward chaos, loss, and adaptation. The delicate harmony of tides, climate, and life all rest on that one relationship. So next time you look at the moon, remember, in the cosmic game, one companion may be more precious than many. If you enjoyed this speculative journey through what-if space, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Let me know in the comments, how many moons would you want? Or would you rather keep just the one? Thanks for watching. I'll see you under moonlight next time.